Welcome. In front of me is a FreeYond M6, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, and in here select storage. We're looking for our SD card. So I believe it might be in here. Let's click on it. Yep. And then in a drop-down menu, make sure you select your SD card. Once it's selected, click on the three dots and select Format. This will give you a quick message letting you know that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card to avoid losing content backed up to another SD card or device. When I select Format SD card, this now begins the process, which only takes a couple of seconds, and there we go, it's already finished. So we're gonna click on Done, and that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.